what are the deployment options for platform engineering in the market today? Like, how do you do it, and what are the pros and cons? So tell us like how you deploy it and what the pluses and minuses are, please.
Sure. Yeah. Sounds like a good question. So I would say we generally see two types of solutions out there. I think there's broad recognition that building an internal developer platform is the right direction to go. Then the question is how to build it. And the answer to that is really no different than it's been to any problem that's faced technology folks inside of corporations for a long time. Do I build it myself or do I leverage third party? For the last decade or so, since Kubernetes has been invented, there's been a lot of build it yourself, and there's been a lot of learning. And for example, at first you would say, okay, I need platform engineers that are Kubernetes experts. And then you would discover, oh, you know what, Kubernetes doesn't have everything that I need inside the box. Batteries are not included. I also need some observability tools. So you go hire platform engineers with observability tools experience. Then you hire platform engineers with infrastructure as code experience, and then platform engineers with security tools and scanning tools experience. And the list goes on and on until eventually you have a large team of experts. Hopefully you can retain all of them. And their job is to not only be expert on their tool, but to integrate with all of the other experts and tools that they've brought to the table. That's a DIY approach that, through the changes from place to place, but generally it takes several years to build that type of IDP. It's very costly, and you have to support it and maintain it forever. So what's happening right now is a lot of people are questioning the DIY of building a cloud native IDP. Maybe there are third-party options available. And of course, there's a whole category of companies out there that will give you an IDP, give your platforms an IDP, and the ability to customize it for your needs. Of course, NetHopper is one of those companies, but there are others. And, there's pros and cons to each approach. If you build it yourself, although it takes a long time and a lot of really smart people that work really hard, that work really smart together, the advantage there is you're going to be able to build a solution that is customized for you. It's going to do what you want it to do, assuming you get it to work eventually. Disadvantage is time, takes a long time, and money. The advantage of leveraging third party is you can build it very quickly. So you can get an IDP running very quickly. You will always wonder whether or not it can do at some point down your path, whether it's going to be able to do exactly what you want it to do. That's a risk that people take by using third-party IDPs. But both are good approaches. It's just, I think there's a lot of exhaustion. There's a lot of fatigue with building it yourself because teams are getting bigger and actually less functional as they've been growing. So people are not looking to build bigger teams or create more experts on more tools. They're looking to make things more functional and simpler. And that's what leveraging a third-party IDP can do.
Got it. Thanks, Chris. The easy button for Kubernetes. Love it.